controlled by use of a foot control valve which allows both hands to be free to manipulate the lance. This heat exchanger, taken from a chemical processing plant, has tubes blocked with heavy product buildup. Plugged tubes restrict production and reduce efficiency of the heat exchanger. In this application, the operator uses a lightweight, flexible lance to blast clean the tube ID. The dramatic results of high-pressure tube cleaning are obvious as the unwanted product buildup is flushed out of the tube at high velocity. Some tube bundles are considerably longer than others, as much as 20 to 40 feet long. These heat exchangers require two operators to manipulate the rigid lance. One operator, called the sticker, guides the lance into the tube bundle and also operates the high-pressure foot control valve. The other operator, called the walker, walks the lance in and out of the tube, twisting the lance to rotate the nozzle inside for the most effective ID cleaning. As a way to enhance heat exchanger tube cleaning and add profit potential for contractors, NLB has developed an automated rotary tube lancer. A single operator controls the unit and can clean tube bundles up to 40 feet in length. The tube lancer utilizes vertical and horizontal XY movement to position the lance at the appropriate tube. Once in position, the lance drive is activated to extend and retract the lance. To further the cleaning effectiveness, the lance is automatically rotated inside the tube by use of the NLB RHL rotating seal. The rotary tube lancer is available for 10,000 or 20,000 psi operation. Water blasting is also the perfect remedy for cleaning plugged pipes with bends or elbows. These are commonly found in refineries, chemical or food processing plants, and more. Even underground pipes may be cleaned this way. In this demonstration, the operator uses the high-pressure flex lance with a self-propelling nozzle. The nozzle cleans as backward jets thrust it through the pipe. The nozzle exits the pipe with tremendous force, demonstrating its power to remove unwanted deposits. For large pipes 4 to 6 feet in diameter, NLB has developed another accessory which creates profit opportunities for contractors. The NLB Spin Jet Stack and Pipe Cleaner uses NLB's patented Spin Jet rotating water jet technology to rotate the spray nozzles at high speed, blasting the pipe ID clean with 10,000 or 20,000 psi. Wet sandblasting is a common contractor procedure for removing paint and rust from steel or other metal surfaces. Wet sandblasting uses an abrasive material mixed with the water jet, creating a slurry spray. The water helps eliminate health and environmental problems associated with blowing sand. Available for 10,000 or 20,000 psi equipment, this procedure creates the desired white metal finish, perfect for recoating the metal and reducing premature corrosion to the newly painted surface. The NLB Spin Jet Floor Cleaner is a profit-making tool with numerous applications for contractors. The Spin Jet is well suited for virtually any floor cleaning task, including parking decks, airport runways, industrial shop floors, tennis courts, and more. Products removed include paint, oil, grease, tar, urethane sealants, and epoxy membrane coatings. And the Spin Jet eliminates the need for chemical, solvent, or sandblast cleaning. One of the original applications for the NLB Spin Jet was cleaning paint booth grates in automobile factories. Grates become clogged with paint overspray until they restrict airflow in the paint booth. This requires cleaning on a regular basis. The operator pushes the Spin Jet along the grates while the rotating spray at pressures up to 10,000 psi blasts off the paint overspray. Spin Jet grate cleaning eliminates the costly physical removal of grates for chemical stripping or incineration, and is the proven and accepted method throughout the U.S. for cleaning grates. It remains today a common application for contractors, but is not limited to the automotive industry. Paint line conveyor skids and carriers used to transport products through a paint shop develop heavy paint overspray buildup, which, unless removed, flakes off and contaminates the finished paint job. Contractors are hired to perform offline cleaning of these skids and carriers on a regular basis. In this skid cleaning demonstration, the operator is using 10,000 psi with the NLB spin nozzle to blast away the buildup. Some skid cleaning applications require up to 20,000 psi to remove tightly bonded paints. High-pressure water jet reactor and tank cleaning in the chemical industry provides numerous additional opportunities for contractors. Powerful NLB 3D nozzles and high-pressure pumps quickly blast away plastics, resins, elastomers, and many other materials which build up in vessels and affect quality and production. Contractors profit from saving plants hours of lost production time normally consumed in slow and costly chemical, caustic, or solvent cleaning. High-pressure water is now a common tool in the concrete construction industry. Whether it's hydro-demolition of concrete on bridges and parking structures or blasting for repair on substructure columns and piers, 20,000 psi water jet blasting is one of the most effective methods for concrete removal without damage to reinforcing steel. 20,000 psi water jet abrasive cutting is one of the most profitable areas for service contractors today. Using standard high-pressure pumps with special abrasive cutting nozzles and tracking mechanisms, concrete and steel can be cut with a water and abrasive mix. In this demonstration, a 6-inch piece of concrete is cut using 20,000 psi, 6 GPM, and 2 pounds of abrasive per minute. Approximate cutting speed is 8 inches per minute. When finished, the cut is cleaned through the slab, including aggregate. Cutting steel is the most common contractor application for water jet abrasive cutting. This work is often found in refineries where storage tanks are cut open for service and inspection or decommissioned and torn down. Cutting speed varies depending on thickness of the metal and the amount of abrasive used. Abrasive cutting is the best alternative to torches or saws, especially in environments where oils, fuels, and gases are present. The abrasive jet, entrained in water, is less volatile and leaves a clean, straight cut. The same water jet abrasive cutting technology can be applied to pipes using the NLB APC pipe cutter. This unit is hydraulic driven and tracks the diameter of any size pipe. Tracking speed can be regulated to adjust to various materials and thicknesses. The unit is ideal for both concrete and steel pipe. Nozzle angles can also be adjusted to create a straight or bevel cut.